What's up, everybody? This is a 2-box beautiful mixer. 1 box Topps Chrome Breakers Delight. 1 box Bowman Chrome HTA. 2 elite products mixed together into 1 break. We'll start with Bowman Chrome HTA. We'll probably do a break of just this next, the 6-boxer. Bowman Chrome. See, what do I see? Don't know what I see. I see Yossi. UCIC. Yossi Galan for Texas. Hello, Efro. Moylan gets the first hit of the break. We have purple on the back, another base in the middle. Third baseman for the Oakland A's, Brennan Malone. He always hitting A's. Seems like every product. And then purple. Second base, all hitter box for the A's again. It is B.J. Cook. 2 of the 3 Bowman Chromes go to the A's. See, Porter, all you do is hit. An all AL West box. And now my favorite, Delight. Got Mr. Evan Longoria on the top. We have a mini diamond auto on the back. Opened a case of this yesterday. I didn't see any of those. Youthquake rookie Michael Harris for the Braves and Parker. Got a refractor of our boy, our card collecting boy, Evan Longoria. Sosa, Machado, LeMahieu, Varsho, and Max Scherzer. Got a couple purples, the mini diamond auto in the back. First up, Nelson Velasquez for the Cubbies. Super Fam, number to 250. Then we have pink speckle of Trey Turner. And one more purple before the autos is going to be Zach Wheeler. The 1-2 punch for Philly. Trey Turner and Zach Wheeler. For the rainbow. Taste the rainbow. Need a big mini diamond auto here. First we have a refractor auto of a second baseman, Eggy Rosario. For Andrew and the Padres, and it all comes down to the mini diamond auto. It's an outfielder. Come on. What's up, Dave? For the Seattle Mariners, who's this going to be? Rookie for the Mariners. I'm not even sure. Marcus Wilson, last team on the board, gets the mini diamond. Beautiful card. It's for Tiger family. What's the game plan? The game plan is to watch the World Series and pull some bangers. That's my plan. Back to hiding.